embraced by the sound of waves. On a quiet night, you stand by the seaside. The warm sand wraps around your feet, and a gentle breeze brushes your cheeks. As you listen carefully, the soothing sound of the waves gently crashing echoes pleasantly. Listen to the sound of the waves. Take a deep breath and fill your lungs with the fresh ocean air. Slowly exhale and feel the tension releasing from your body. Close your eyes and feel yourself becoming one with the waves. Your breathing naturally synchronizes with the rhythm of the waves as they come and go. With each inhale, the waves approach the shore, and with each exhale, they recede.